Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of this unboxing, and as you guys know, in Irvine, California, there have not been this many mosquitoes in, I would say, decades. I've lived here for quite a while. But yeah, all of a sudden, mosquitoes. Is that a coincidence since there is COVID going on, and that would help the spread of the disease? I don't know. Put two and two together, you figure it out. I'm not here for spoon feeding. Don't be lazy. Alright, so this has a charger thing here. That's pretty cool. Interesting. It comes with this, I think it's probably an instruction manual, but looks rather cool. Oh no, maybe these are just coasters? No, I'm sure they're not. I'm sure they're not coasters. You'll find out in the next thing, in the next video.
Likey